Hello everyone, I'm so glad you're interested in St. Mary's Riken and especially the dance program here, which is part of the Fine Arts Department. My name is Julie Daly and I've been the dance teacher here for 12 years, I believe. When the program started, it was very small and only actually met as a club. And the program currently offers 3 levels of dance, Dance 1, Dance 2, and Honors Dance 3 for our juniors and seniors, and is open to absolutely any student who just has a desire and a passion to dance. Some other great aspects of dance here at St. Mary's Riken are the opportunities we have to do things that are fun together and to serve our community together. One of our greatest programs is the Art to Heart program. We've been doing this for many years now in conjunction with the Center for Life Enrichment in St. Mary's County, and our dance students provide dance classes for adults who learn differently. And I can tell you that you will never ever teach someone who is more grateful for the time and the caring you spend with them. In addition, the entire Fine Arts Department attend great educational trips every other year. We've been to New York City and seen Broadway shows and toured Radio City Music Hall. And last spring, just before we were sent home, we were able to go to Disney, where all of our fine arts students were able to take professional level classes from Disney stars. It was a great experience and I can't wait to see what 2022 brings.